I have never ever been here before.
HobbyHarryTV!
HobbyHarry here, and guess what? We're doing the 3-color slime challenge using my secret formulas. Ooh! I have to close my eyes and pick some glue. Aha! And this one. Okay, what do I got? No way! 2 greens! 2 greens and black. It looks kind of blue. What color do you guys think this is gonna turn out to be? Number 1. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, this one. Into the fishy's mouth. Top secret solution. It will take you to places of unknown. Yummy, yummy fishy. Come on, we got more. Okay, we got lots. Oh, that almost all of it went out just now. Did you see that? HobbyHarry likes doing my glue this way because it makes less bubbles. Nobody likes bubbles in their slime. You gotta let it sit for days. I just want to play with it. Whoa! Take a look at this fishy guts. Ooh. Gotta activate the slime. Oh yeah, slime-erific. Whoa, it's really slimy. Get off me. I think the slime is super good. Look, I'm Iron Man. Oh no, I'm a big lobbing fish. Ah! Just kidding. Okay, this is my pet slime ball. Get off me! Mickey Mouse stretchy slime. It's a big smiley face. Whoa, it's so sparkly. Can you guys see the sparkles? Give this video a thumbs up if you can. Jump rope. Jump. Oh. Well, now if I stretch this too far, it's gonna take me to a place of unknown. Well, I really want to go to Disneyland, so I hope this is like Disneyland slime. You know what I'm saying? Let's go! Whoa! Hey look! I can talk normal now! Haha! And I can breathe underwater! Wow, this is really cool! I like this. Whoa, you guys see that shark down there? I think he's gonna eat my feet! Oh, there's another one over there! And there's another one! Oh man, I'm surrounded by sharks, guys! I don't know what to do. I think they're getting closer too. Look at this guy, he's coming close! Gotta keep swimming! Oh, we got him! Oh man! They're gonna eat me, guys! I don't know what to do. What am I gonna do? I gotta get out of here, I think. Gotta keep swimming. Hey guys, watch this. I'm a starfish. Pretty cool, right? Hey, SpongeBob! Time to go, guys. We gotta get out of this place. Whoa, that was cool! My brain is all over the place. Ha! Hi, little fishy! This one? This one? How about this one? No. Aha! This one! 2 blue? Come on!
1 blue, whoop.
Whoa!
Glitter blue, whoop. And 1 glitter pink.
Oh yeah! Hot pink! We gotta pick a special formula because we're making special teleporting slime! Pink it is! Shake, shake, shake! Alright, fishy! Eat slime!
What's your fishy's name?
Hobby, eat my hand. I have no idea. I'm really bad with names, guys. Oh, this is gonna be fantastic. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. You guys like my new song? Nope. This is by far my absolute favorite slime! Good job, HobbyHarry. So good slime should be able to stretch and stretch and stretch without even breaking. Right? That's good slime. Good pops. Yeah. Ready? Just roll it. Squeeze it. Wake up, slime.
HobbyHarry's gonna make a bubble.
I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Yeah. Gonna stretch it.
Too much.
And then you whip it. Just one little bubble. HobbyHarry did it. That's a pat on the back for me. You let it droopity droops. Drooping. I think we're gonna make a big hole.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that slime bubble. Perfect. Bye, slime bubble. I didn't really like you. I want a big bubble. Nope. That's a little bubble.
It's a flat bubble. Whoa!
Bad sign. Fail. I want a bubble. And it's like,
No, I don't want to give you a bubble. Yeah!
no, died really fast.
Oh my goodness, but you did it!
Mario Kart. Oh. Mario, I just dropped my steering wheel. Oh, it's a good pizza. Can you see me? Let's stretch this slime and see where it takes me now. Whoa! Whoa, it's working, guys! It's working! Whoa! A bit of marathon, guys! This is so cool! Hey, I'm running next to, that guy. I don't know who he is. Whoa, he's really fast. I gotta catch up. I don't think I passed him yet. I need a number. Yes! Number 1! Ha! Ha! I'm gonna beat you because I'm number 1! Super speed! I didn't almost trip. I didn't almost trip, I promise. Water! 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 Hurry out! I'm back! Cheese puffs. They ran out of gold medals, so they gave me this big tub of cheese puffs. I went first place. I'm ready to make number 3. Nope, 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 nope. This one. Ha! This one. Amazing! Just amazing!
Glittery silver.
Whoa!
Clear! School glue.
Whoa!
Glow in the dark.
This is on my nose. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, blue. Cool, this is gonna be so cool, guys. Whoa! This is nice glue. Huh. Do you guys think it's gonna glow with all this other glue in it? Put no or glow in the comments below. Huh? That all rhymes. Pretty cool, right? My favorite one! My favorite color is clear. Mixing. This is the way we mix the slime. Mix the slime. This is the way. Where do you guys think this one's gonna take me after I stretch it across my face?
Your grandma's house.
Oh, yeah! I want some cookies! Okay, guys, I'm in my top secret hiding place. Let's see if it glows in the dark. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, ready, go! Can you guys see it? I can see it. It glows in the dark, guys. How about now? Oh, look, it glows in the dark.
Ooh, it's sparkly.
It's really droopy slime, too. Oh, wow, it's really stringy, glowy slime. Let's see if we can make a turtle. See the turtle?
Right.
It's a stretchy turtle. Alright, let's see if we can make a giraffe.
Let its neck stand on its own.
I'm trying.
Let its neck go.
I don't know what that was about, Hobby Chip. You want me to drop animals? That's just mean. Okay, this one's an elephant.
Where's its ears?
Big flappy ear right there. To Grandma's house we go! Whoa! Whoa! This isn't my grandma's house. Whoa! You know what? I think we're gonna look for buried treasure here because there's volcanoes and stuff, right? Nope. Oh man! Whoa! Did you guys see that big bird? Oh man, that was a big bird! Whoa! There was another one just now. Why is everything trying to eat me? We're playing tennis today, guys. Come on. Let's go. Ha! Ha! Yeah, you can't eat me. Ha! I gotcha. Come on, you big birds! What are these things? Put in the comments below. Teleport ball! pretty good. We're gonna make some crunchy slime. Maybe that'll take me somewhere special. We got some beads. Whoa, I think that's probably plenty. What do you guys think? I think it's good, HobbyHarry. Little emojis. Let's put them all in. Whoa, that was the sad emoji. We need something more crunchy, huh? We're gonna make some super crunchy slime with some Cheetos. Oh yeah! You know what else is gonna be super cool? Pop rocks! That's right, that's gonna make some crunchy slime.
Whoa! Can you hear that? Crunching to the slime! Give a thumbs up if you guys can hear that. The poppies.
Let's mix our crunch stuffy up.
That's so gross, HobbyHarry!
Hey, there's no better way to make crunchy slime. Cheetos are magical. They come from unicorns.
That really is crunchy without even touching it.
Oh, it's changing the structure. It's making it all weird. All my crunch is falling out. Getting crunch everywhere.
This is the weirdest slime I've ever seen, HobbyHarry.
Oh, yeah.
Ew!
This is a crunchy mess. It's my Cheeto move. Hey!
Is that a Cheeto?
It is a Cheeto.
Are you gonna eat it?
Ha! I'll pass. Let's stretch this across my face and see where it takes me. I bet it's gonna be amazing. Whoa! I have never ever been here before. Do you guys see anything? Nope. 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 Nope! What am I doing here? There's nothing here! Oh! That's a wall. And that's a wall! Nope. Just hit my head. Ouch. I'm trapped here! I'm just gonna teleport out of this place. That's what I'm gonna do. It's okay, I got something somewhere else. Nope. Nope. Ah! How's it going, Mr. Incredible? Wait, where'd you go? HobbyHarryTV! Guess what? My mini assistant is here to help me open up some toys. Incredibles 2 Family Pack. Use your muscles. Your big muscles. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. This is frustration-free packaging. It's very frustrating. Harry muscles. Perfect. Let's super examine these things. Whoa. Can you see it? There's Dash. Okay, here's Baby Yak Yak. Mr. Incredible himself. And here's Violet. Is this the good guy or the bad guy? The bad guy. Use your muscles, mini HobbyHarry. Yeah, that's perfect. Frustration free when you got big muscles. Now we've got 2 moms. They're exactly the same, just different colors. Okay, thanks, bye. Perfect, this is my favorite one. All the baby poop poops. Where's the baby yacky yakkies? Perfect, perfect. Fire Jack Jack, metal Jack Jack, monster Jack Jack. Whoa. Regular baby Jack Jack. Super incredible baby Jack Jack. Oh no, you can't see. This is the Underminer's ship. Whoa, and it goes through the ground. It's a big giant drill bit, and it drills into the ground, and that's where the Underminer steals all the gold from the banks. It's underneath the ground, goes up through the building. Hey, it's my gold. It goes back down under the ground. That's how it works. All right, good job, baby Jack Jack. Super Jack Jack! Oh, you hit the metal baby. Sorry, metal baby.
Oh no!
Perfect!
Hey, HobbyHarry.
Hey, what?
Boom!
Ah!
That's a big one.
Perfect! Oh, wow. The button, I think, is right here. Ah! I'm supposed to be the good guy! Ouch! Whoa, what is that thing? Oh, I bet it goes inside. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
That was anticlimactic.
That wasn't very explosive. Whoa!
Whoa!
His engine blew up! Frank! Whoa! That was nuts! Whoa! Whoa! Oh no, he fell! Want to see him fall again? Launcher!
Whoa!
Stay nice and still. We're just gonna drive around. And... Whoa! Mr. Incredible fell too!
Oh.
Why are you gonna scare me like that?
Yeah, come on.
Okay, you got it, Mini Hobby Harry. But hey! That thing shoots really far, you know that? Oh! You just hit the camera! You guys okay in there? Give us a thumbs up if you are. Elastic girl in the car. And he already got the dad open. Perfect! 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 I got an arm. All you do is rip a regular arm off,
What? You took her arm off.
and then you put on just stretchy arm. So now she has one stretchy arm.
Weird.
What's up? How's it going? Oh no! Now she has no arm! Put it back. Sorry.
Can you use it as dental floss?
Maybe on him. No way, dude. The head spins all the way backwards.
Can your head do that?
Nope. And I'm not even gonna try.
Try it!
She wrapped her arm all the way around her body. That's cool.
Whoa.
Cool. Now she's got a hand leg. That's gonna be hard to walk.
Would you want 4 arms and no legs, or 4 legs and no arms?
I would want 4 arms
And no legs?
and no legs.
Mini Hobby
Imagine
Harry.
trying to eat a cup of soup with 4 legs? That would be horrible. And I love soup. Perfect. Perfect. And perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's squeeze him inside. Like this? I know, I got it. 2 feet in like this. Now he can ride on his car.
Whoa. Whoa, that was cool. No, it's not.
Come on, that's the only way he's gonna be able to get around in that thing. It's too tiny. Whoa, Mr. Incredible got hit by your own car. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, he smashed his car.
Don't smash your car.
Like an arm scarf.
How's it going, Mr. Incredible?
Oh.
Wait, where'd you go?
He ran away.
Where'd you go, you big scaredy cat? Oh, he's fighting with the bacon. Oh, I got him. I'm the best, mister. I'm the best. Ah!
Whoa, can your arm wrap around your neck?
Sure can. Watch this.